Hi, welcome to the Western Region MarketWatch, brought to you by RBI, Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. We're going to dig into the most recent numbers from the Western Region housing market, which includes the counties of Allegheny and Garrett in Maryland, Grant, Hampshire, Hardy, Mineral, and Pendleton in West Virginia, and Clark, Frederick, Shenandoah, Page, and the city of Winchester in Virginia. Let's jump right in. Think global, act local. With European debt crises, oil spills, and disappointing job growth figures putting stress on the stock market, the local housing market could have fared much worse. Buyers were hesitant in June, but at least they were somewhat present. Pending sales posted a manageable 3.7% decrease from June 2009 to arrive at 315 purchase agreements signed. Many would-be June buyers already bought during the credit period. As anticipated, the tax credit seems to have shifted May and June buyers forward into March and April. Consequently, inventory levels increased a slight 5.8% compared to last year, as active listings snuck up to 3,865 units. But prices were surprisingly resilient in the face of the enemy known as declining demand. The June median sales price of $160,000 was a very minor 3% decrease from last year at this time. Keep in mind that this figure reflects the mix of homes that closed in June but went under contract during the tax credit by first-time homebuyers not exactly looking for multi-million-dollar properties. Negotiations made their seasonal migration back toward the seller's favor. The June percent of original list price received at sale increased 1% to land at 90.7%. So what does the future hold? Well, our crystal ball is in the repair shop at the moment, but one thing is crystal clear. Interest rates cannot hang out down here forever. The Fed knows it, we know it, and now you know it. It's a bit surprising that 50-year record low interest rates haven't enticed more buyers. Whether this is a short-term blip or a forerunner to a long-term demand cooldown remains to be seen. The next generation of buyers will enter the market eventually. They always do. But for now, many in the industry are feeling the pinch of the demand vacuum created by the tax credit as well as job uncertainty. In other news, tax credit buyers are feeling a lot less stressed since Congress recently extended the closing date to September 30th as long as you purchase before the April 30th deadline. Closings may reap a slight benefit from this piece of legislation. Other than that, expect the market to stay mostly flat or post minor improvements over the near term. That's the Western Region Market Watch for this month. Tune in next month for the latest.